Hello students, good morning. See, in this video lecture, we are going to start a new chapter from your book Science and Technology, and that one is nothing but the chapter number 3, current electricity. Very interesting topic. See, what is current, what is electricity? This topic is dealing with the two words. First one is the current and another one is the electricity. What is mean by current electricity? In previous standards, you have already studied what is mean by current, what is the electricity. See, electricity, the word electricity is very important. See, for example, electricity is almost most important in the modern world. Why? Because in our day-to-day life, we all are always depend for electricity. For almost everything, we use electricity in various appliances like various domestic appliances like fridge, mixer, oven. Also, the electricity is used for everything in day-to-day life. For example, banks, for example, various companies, for example, various industries. In every sector, the electricity is used. See, the chapter name is current electricity. The word electricity is very important. Electricity is almost used in every sector. Which sector? For example, electricity is used in a bank, is used in hospitals, is used in various companies, is used in various industries, it is used in various furnaces, also it is used in various institutes, various classes. In everywhere electricity is used. Okay, like also the domestic appliances like fridge, mixer, oven, electric fan, washing machine, roti maker, these all appliances run with the help of electricity. What I say, the domestic appliances like which one? First one is the fridge, TV, oven, mixer, fan. Another one is the washing machine. Next, roti maker. These all appliances run with the help of which word? With the help of run with the help of electricity. Then what is mean by electricity? See, first of all, I want to tell you the meaning of current electricity. Current electricity. The word electricity is derived from word electron. Therefore, I will write here what is mean by current electricity. Current electricity means, in short, flow of electrons. What I say, the current electricity is nothing but it is simply flow of electrons. Okay, current electricity means what? Flow of electrons. All of you know that. What are the electrons? Electrons are negatively charged particles which are present in the atoms, okay, which are present in the outside of the neutrons, okay, nucleus. In nucleus consists of positively charged particle proton, and it also consists of neutrons, and around that positively charged proton, the negatively charged particles are always flow in a circular direction, and that one is nothing but the electrons. This is all about the electron. And what is current electricity? Current electricity is nothing but, it is a simple word or it is a simple definition. That one is nothing but the flow of electrons, means current electricity. See, these all appliances consist of electricity, or in these all appliances the electricity is used. See, means human being use electricity in everywhere in day-to-day life. Like human being, some animals are also use electricity. See what I say, like human being, some animals are also used electricity. For which purpose? I will told you. See, which animals? The fishes like, for example, the fishes like which fish? Eelfish. Eelfish use electricity. When it is use electricity? See, eelfish use electricity to catch their prey. To catch their prey, and it is also used electricity to self defense. See, all of you know that the example of the lightning that strikes the earth is an good example of, or it is an excellent example of natural flow of electricity. What I say, one example I told you, and that one is nothing but the lightning that strikes the earth. It is an excellent example of natural flow of electricity. It is an excellent example of natural flow of electricity. See, in everywhere electricity is used. The lightning that strike the earth, what happened during the lightning? The flow of high amount of light passes from high to low level. Okay, how this is occur, when it is happen, what is the electricity, what is the current? I will told you. See, current is nothing but, or current electricity is nothing but, it is a simply flow of electron. When the electron flow, when the voltage pushes the electrons flow from one end to another end. See, current electricity means it is a simply flow of electron. Current electricity is nothing but it is in simple language flow of electron. Which electrons are start to flow and electricity is produces? See, the free electrons always flow from one end to another end. The free electron always flow from one end to another end. Which end? I will told you. The electrons are always flow from negative end to positive end. See, the electrons always flow from which to which? Negative to positive end. And see, the current is always flow from, very important these two terms, current is always flow from positive to negative end. See, these two things to remember. First one is the electrons always move from or flow from negative to positive end. Okay, and the current is always flow from positive end to negative end. See, in this topic we are going to discuss what is mean by current, what is mean by electricity, what is the Ohm's law, what is the potential, what is the potential difference. These all things we are going to discuss in this topic. See, first of all, I will told you what is mean by current and what is the electricity. Simply, current electricity is nothing but it is a flow of electron. We will stop here.